How to remove an account from Threads. Are you logged into multiple Threads accounts and want to remove one of them? It's easy. Here's the solution. Open the Threads app on your phone. Then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile. If you long press on the profile icon, you'll see the accounts you're logged into on the Threads app. I'm logged into 2 accounts. Now, I will remove one account. A small note: you must be logged into the account you want to remove at the time you wish to remove it. I will remove the first account. Close the window. Now find and click on the 2 lines in the top right corner. At the bottom, you'll see the Logout button. Click on it. In the pop-up window, press the Logout button again. And that concludes our tutorial. If you go back to the profile and long press on the profile icon, you'll see that there's now only one profile. That's it. Like the video, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more content. For YDF.